Belly fat is stubborn, but the right exercises can help strengthen your core, burn calories, and push your body into fat-burning mode. These 10 powerful exercises are simple, effective, and great for building a stronger and leaner stomach over time. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and results will follow. 1. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are one of the best exercises for targeting lower belly fat because they force the lower abdominal muscles to work harder with every repetition. The movement creates strong tension in the lower stomach area, where stubborn fat often tends to accumulate the most. This exercise also improves core stability and strengthens the muscles responsible for posture and balance. Slow, controlled movement keeps the abs under constant pressure, making the exercise far more effective for tightening and strengthening the midsection over time. 2. Heel touches. Heel touches are excellent for targeting the side abdominal muscles and tightening the waistline. The side-to-side movement forces the obliques to stay engaged throughout the exercise, helping strengthen and define the midsection over time. This exercise also improves flexibility and core endurance while keeping constant tension on the stomach muscles. Slow, controlled movement increases muscle activation and makes the exercise far more effective for shaping the waist area. 3. V-ups. V-ups are powerful core exercises that activate both the upper and lower abdominal muscles at the same time. The movement forces the stomach muscles to contract intensely while improving balance and coordination. Because both the legs and upper body move together, the core works much harder compared to traditional abdominal exercises. This helps build stronger abdominal definition and improve overall core strength. 4. Side planks. Side planks are extremely effective for strengthening the obliques and improving core stability. Holding the body sideways under tension forces the waistline muscles to work continuously, helping tighten and strengthen the sides of the stomach. This exercise also improves posture, balance, and lower back support while building endurance throughout the core. The longer the hold, the greater the muscle activation becomes. 5. Standing side crunches. Standing side crunches help activate the obliques while providing a light cardio effect that increases calorie burn. The repeated side movement strengthens the waistline and improves flexibility throughout the torso. This exercise is simple but highly effective because it combines continuous movement with core activation. Over time, it can help improve abdominal endurance and create better waist definition. 6. Scissor kicks. Scissor kicks are highly effective for targeting the lower abdominal muscles because they keep constant tension on the stomach throughout the movement. The alternating leg motion forces the core to stay engaged continuously, helping strengthen and tighten the lower belly area. This exercise also improves endurance and lower body control while increasing abdominal stability. Slow, controlled kicks create far better muscle activation than rushed movement, making the exercise more effective for building a stronger core over time. 7. Plank hip dips. Plank hip dips are excellent for targeting the obliques and tightening the waistline. The twisting side-to-side movement forces the stomach muscles to stabilize the body while activating the deep core muscles at the same time. This exercise improves balance, posture, and overall core strength while keeping the abs under constant tension. Controlled movement increases muscle engagement and helps strengthen the entire midsection more effectively. 8. Seated knee tucks. Seated knee tucks directly target the abdominal muscles by forcing the stomach to contract every time the knees move inward. This creates strong tension throughout the core and helps strengthen the lower stomach area. The exercise also improves balance and muscular control while keeping constant pressure on the abs. Slow movement increases effectiveness and helps maintain stronger core activation. 9. Windshield wipers. Windshield wipers are powerful core exercises that heavily activate the obliques and lower abs. The side-to-side leg movement forces the waistline muscles to work continuously while improving core control and flexibility. This exercise strengthens the entire midsection while helping improve stability and coordination. Controlled motion keeps the abdominal muscles under tension longer, making the workout more effective for tightening the stomach area. 10. Hollow body hold. The hollow body hold is one of the best exercises for building deep core strength because it forces the abdominal muscles to remain fully activated for an extended period of time. Maintaining the position creates intense tension throughout the entire stomach area. This exercise improves posture, balance, and muscular endurance while strengthening both the upper and lower abs simultaneously. The longer the hold is maintained with proper control, the harder the core is forced to work. A stronger stomach is built one workout at a time. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and keep going. Your transformation begins the moment you refuse to quit.